Welcome to Mystic Monday, beautiful souls. A new week begins, and today's reading opens the door to spiritual insight and intuitive clarity for all signs. Just remember, this is a collective reading for all signs in general, and today we'll do what mystical guidance do you need for this week. I already pre shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the cards and see how it goes. So, your energetic state entering the week, lovers, the mystical theme of your week, Seven of Swords, hidden energy influencing you is Nine of Cups, guidance from your higher self, Five of Swords, okay. Challenge you are meant to overcome, Empress. A blessing unfolding this week is Six of Pentacles, and the outcome, if you follow the guidance, is Five of Wands. And we'll also pull out the Oracle card and see your mystical message for the week. So this will be your mystical message for the week. Archangel Mariel, manifest for the highest good, work with pure love. Okay. This card is very beautiful, isn't it? Comment me below if you like the card as well. Okay. So the energetic state entering the week is Lovers. So this is the soulmate card. Might be you may find your soulmate this week, and that is a divine connection which will have a lot of success, stability and growth, and you will be very happy if you just check the signs that person entering into your life. If someone is entering your life, just check for the signs that that person is your soulmate and you will be very happy. The mystical theme of your week is Seven of Swords. So, guys, someone is trying to trick you or someone is trying to betray you because you are walking towards the success and you have name and fame, and someone is trying to defame you. So, this will be your theme. There might be some betrayal or some trickery happening for you. Just be cautious. The hidden energy influencing you is you will be emotionally fulfilled. Please ignore the dogs. So you will be emotionally fulfilled. This will be your hidden energy because you are very happy, satisfied. The path you're walking is giving you success, name and fame, and you are emotionally fulfilled. This is your hidden energy which is influencing you, and the guidance from your higher self is, see, as I said, the theme of the week is someone is trying to trick you or betray you, and the same guidance from your higher self is that just be aware of person trying to trick you or betray you. That person can be from your known one, and that person is trying to trick you, and that person might have name and fame as well. So you might not understand, that person might trick you or betray you, but just be cautious with everyone, and this person might be from your known one. Comment me below if you know this person, and if you know that someone is trying to betray you and that person is already with lot of name and fame. The challenges you are meant to overcome this week is the Empress. So you have the power and you have the authority and responsibility to take care of everything. You are very powerful and you are very responsible and you have the authority to overcome any issues in the life, but there might be some negativity along with your success. Those are the challenges which you need to overcome. And if at all you are looking for kids, if it is a challenge for you since many months that you want to get conceived and you are not able to, this is the right time for you to overcome that challenge, because it's a highly fertile time for you to be successful. And the blessings unfolding this week is Six of Pentacles. So the blessings what you get is you will learn how to balance things and how to be generous. So because of your balancing nature and generosity, the blessings what you have in this week is you will not only see the growth in your life but also name and fame. Okay? And the outcome, if you follow the guidance, if you follow this guidance, the outcome is whatever like betrayal you see and whatever trickery you may find, so you will successfully face that challenge and you will see the success in that challenge. So if someone is trying to betray you and that person is from your known one, and if you follow this guidance by taking a cautious step and trying to balance and being generous and also following your heart, then you will get the strength to successfully face this challenge and successfully get out of this challenging situation. And your mystical message of the week is manifest for the highest good, work with pure love. So if you can see, we have the Lover's card, which is the indication of the pure love and soulmate. So manifest for the highest good, work with pure love. So whatever you manifest with for the highest good, not for selfishness. Just manifest things for the highest good and work with the pure love. So someone entering your life, that can be your soulmate, which will give you or which will make you understand what is the pure love, but still try to be cautious on someone trying to trick you because of your name and fame and success. So they are trying to trick you and they are trying to betray you. Just be cautious, because the new love who is entering your life who will be your soulmate will give you lot of strength, which will eventually give you emotional fulfillment, and you will be very happy because of this love entering your life. But not only happy, it will also give you name and fame and success as well. But seeing that success, someone will try to betray you or trick you, and that person might be from your known one. So Spirits is asking you to be cautious, and whatever your challenges you're facing, you will overcome those challenges because you have that knowledge, wisdom and authority, and you are very powerful to overcome that challenges. But if I feel that if at all you're looking for children and if you're trying to get conceived and you're facing challenges in that issue, then this is the right time. You're fertile enough and it can be successful for you. And the blessing is, if you follow your heart, if you embrace this soulmate connection, and if you be cautious on person who is trying to trick you, and if you try to control and come out of all the challenges which you are facing, which will not only give you emotional fulfillment and success, but also it will teach you how to balance things and how to be generous, and eventually you will not only get the success but also the name and fame. And if you follow everything, then you will also get the strength to fight back the challenges and eventually come out of those challenges. But thing is that you need to manifest anything for highest good and work with the pure love. Okay? Hope this resonates. Comment me below if it resonates. Thank you for starting your week with Mystic Monday. Stay aligned, trust your intuition, and I'll see you tomorrow.